Apple's recent iPhone 17 launch has brought big changes and plenty of discussion across the tech sphere. A fresh teardown confirms the company has permanently removed the SIM tray in favor of larger batteries across its flagship models, moving further into the eSIM era. The iPhone 17 lineup, including the ultra-thin iPhone Air, boasts brighter ProMotion displays, advanced 48mm cameras, and the speedy A19 Pro chip, combining style with cutting-edge specs. Yet early adopters in China are already voicing concerns, as the deep blue models of the iPhone 17 Pro and Pro Max have shown visible scratches after only a few hours of display, highlighting possible durability issues despite Apple's claims of a tougher finish. For those eager for aesthetic variety, this is Apple's first substantial hardware redesign since 2020, debuting next to new Apple Watch and AirPods models to complete the ecosystem. Let's wrap up with a quick list. eSIM only unlocks longer battery life but complicates global use. The iPhone Air defines slimness, camera, and chip improvements mark a clear step up, and early scuffing is a red flag for buyers. Are you excited for the new iPhones or concerned about these drawbacks? Let us know what you think in the comments below. Like the video if you found this roundup helpful, and don't forget to subscribe for all your latest tech news.